Welcome to Interior Design's YouTube channel. Hanging photos creatively can turn your wall decor into a stunning feature. Here are some fresh and stylish ideas for perfect photo hanging. Gallery wall. Arrange photos in a grid or asymmetrical patterns, mixing various frame sizes and orientation for a chic modern gallery wall. This works well in living rooms or hallways. Photo ledges. Use narrow floating shelves or ledges to display photos. You can easily swap out pictures without having to rehang them, adding flexibility to your decor. String light clips. Hang strip lights on your walls and use a small clips to attach photos to the string. This creates a cozy himself feel ideal for bedroom or rooms. Polaroid wall. Attach Polaroids or small photos directly into the wall in a grid or random pattern using double-sided tape or removable adhesive stripes for a minimalist trending vibe. Vintage frame with wooden clips. Use an old window frame or vintage wood frame, string wire across it, and hang your photos with small clips. It's add rustic charm and a personal touch to any space. Collage poster frame. Create a photo collage inside a large frame. You can mix photos of different shapes and sizes, allowing for a unified look while still showcasing many memories. Hexagonal panels, hanging blind display is also most good and flexible and very durable hanging ideas to design or hang a photo. Thanks for watching. Must watch, subscribe and like Interior Designs channel.